app more cohesive. Uh, this is the part where we try to do we do the input by the end user. So we mention that this is a building that's primarily used for a commercial space, an office. Uh, I look mostly at Atlanta, but there's a lot of modeled data out there with different states. Uh, and we use the smallest size since this is a small commercial building. We perform some short-term inferences. I leave this in for the default, and I just click forecast. Yep. So this is all uh, more done using something called Plotly. So all of this is interactive. So you can free feel to interact with your own data. So this is more or less trying to forecast on the next 30 hours of the input. Uh, and what I try to do here is, while I couldn't explain it well on the slide, I try to use the input data and I forecast, not train on the input data, I forecast on the input data just to give the user an idea on how this model is working. So how this model is generalizing to this unseen input. So of course I can't validate the forecast, but I can validate what I have. So I can see that this is around, I don't know, 10.5%. So it does pretty well. And I can definitely zoom into a specific aspect. Or this looks. So, and I could look at how this model is performing. And then I'm trying to compare this model, compare the input data with a similar building. So it shows how the data how the input differs with the building that is similar. So we have the upgrade as well as the input, and then this is a one with some upgrades applied. This is another one with some upgrades applied. So these basically just try to help the user get some inference on, or maybe get some actionable insights on how the building performance changes with different upgrades. And then I try to do some simple anomaly detection using KNN. So this is not really the right approach to do anomaly detection because it's not really considering how the time series varies. But this is definitely something that is a work in progress. So that's all from me in the demo.